Hey, kids, this is one set of instructions of the two crafts that you're going to be making as we're doing our countdown for Christmas in Mr. Ely's class. This one's the easy one. You'll find in the bag that you have, along with the Christmas gifts and candy, that you have a Christmas ornament bulb and some pieces of craft paper, strips, and a pencil. So to make this is very simple. You're going to open this by just kind of gripping it by the sides where the seam is and giving it a little pop to open it. You'll want to save this. This is the hanger where it's going to hang on the branch of your Christmas tree. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to curl the paper. Now that's where the pencil comes in. It's very simple to do. You're going to take the paper and you're going to want it, print side out so that you can see the print on the paper. And you're going to basically hold it in place and then wrap it around the pencil. Now, depending on what kind of curl you want, if you want a really tight curl, you're going to wrap it tightly. If you don't want too tight of a curl, you want to wrap it loosely. I want a tight curl, so I'm wrapping this around. It wraps around about 9 times. And then once I have it wrapped, I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let it go. There we go. I got a nice curl. If I want to stretch that out, just gently pull on both sides. There I have a nice curly piece of craft paper. So then I'm going to take my 2 halves of my Christmas ornament. I'm going to put a few, I gave you 10 strips, but that might be a little much. If you want to put 5 or 6 in, I'm just going to put some different colors in so there's some nice contrast. Once you have all your papers in, you're going to join the halves back together. Notice that at the very top there is this tab, and that's on both sides, where the hanger is going to go through so you can hang it on your tree. So make sure those are lined up, and one side slips into the other. Sometimes they don't want to behave themselves, so be careful not to drop it when you're done, or maybe tape it shut if you choose. And once you have it, there you go. Then what you're going to want to do is take your hanger, slide it through the little hole in the tab, give it a little pinch, and right there, ready to hang on your tree to add to your Merry Christmas.